How to create a new account on Audiomack mobile app. So let's get started. After you downloaded the app, open it and then tap on create a free account. Then you get few options here. You can sign in with Google, Twitter, Facebook or Apple, or you can just simply write here your email address. So I'm gonna write my email address here and then tap next. Then we're gonna create a password here. Perfect. And then just tap next. Now we're gonna select our age. Tap next. Then choose your gender. Then tap next. You need to select one. Okay. Tap finish. Tap never. Don't save your passwords. It's gonna be much more safer. And then just click on this X. So we're gonna use the free version of this application. This is how can you create a new account on Audiomack mobile app. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, subscribe, and see you in the next one.